Today my topic is aromatic compound. Okay, I have already discussed about aliphatic compounds like alcohol, carbon compound, acid, esters. Okay, now today my topic is aromatic compounds like benzenes. Now the question is, what is aromatic compound? Now aromatic compounds, benzene and benzene derivatives are called aromatic compounds. The basic condition for aromaticity depends on the following principle. Compounds must possess planar and cyclic ring structure, and also the compound must obey Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. Okay. Now how would you know that this compound is aromatic? Okay. Suppose this is a compound. How would you know this compound is an aromatic compound? Now here how many pi bonds are present? Here 1, 2, 3. Here 3 pi bonds are present. Okay. The basic principle for aromaticity is compounds must have planar, this is planar structure, and cyclic ring structure. It is also a cyclic ring structure. Okay. Now the compound must obey Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi electrons rule, where n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot 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 যে কোনো একটা পূর্ণ সংখ্যা. Okay. Now how many pi bonds are present in this compound? 3 pi bonds. Okay. Now we know one bond is produced by 2 electron. Okay, two electrons is combined together and form one bond. This is a bond. Now here 3 pi bonds are present, therefore 3 into 2 equals to 6 pi electrons are present in this compound. Now Huckel's rule, what is Huckel's rule? 4n plus 2 pi. Okay, here 6 pi electron. Now if I put n equals to 0, then we get the value 2 pi. There is no similarity between these two. Okay. Now if I put n equals to 1, then 4 into 1 plus 2 equals to 6 pi electron, and this is similar to this. Thus we can say this compound is obeys Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, where n equals to 1. ঠিক আছে. Now thus we can say this compound is an aromatic compound, as this compound obeys Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, as it is a planar structure. Okay, as it is a planar structure, as it is a cyclic ring structure, as it obeys Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. So this compound is an aromatic compound when n equals to 1. Okay. Now let's see. Now this compound obeys Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi electron rule when n equals to aromatic is an, this compound is an aromatic, and the name of this compound is benzene, JDNE. Okay. Now benzene is obtained by the fractional distillation of coal tar. আমরা coal tar থেকে fractional distillation করে বেনজিনকে পাওয়া যায়. Benzene is obtained by fractional distillation এর বেঙ্গলি means আংশিক পাতন. আলকাতরা, coal tar means আলকাতরা, fractional আংশিক ডিস্টিলেশন পাতন, আলকাতরার আংশিক পাতনের মাধ্যমে বেনজিনকে পাওয়া যায়. Now benzene is obtained by fractional distillation of coal tar. Okay. Now the structure of benzene. Here benzene molecules is a regular planar hexagon. Hexagon means here 6 gones are present, but 6 angles are present. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is a hexagon, regular planar hexagon. সুষম সমতলীয় ষড়ভুজ. its Bengali meaning is Susamo Samotoliyo Sorobhuj. Hexagon means Sorobhuj. Now benzene molecule is a regular planar hexagon structure where carbon atoms are present at each corner. Here carbon atoms are present each corner here. Now each corner here 6 carbon atoms are present, and with carbon bond angle is carbon bond angle is 120 degree, and this all carbon atom, this carbon and totally 6 carbon atom are sp2 hybridized state. Okay, and now here the how many carbon atoms are present in benzene? Therefore 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 carbon atoms. Now how many hydrogens are present? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. Therefore the formula of benzene is C6H6. Now the structure of benzene we may write in this way, we may also write in this way, we may also write in this way. Okay, now the short question from this topic is বলবে what's the hybridization of benzene carbon atom? Benzene carbon atom hybridization state টা কি? What is the hybridization state of benzene carbon atom? Then the answer is sp2 hybridized. Okay, the answer is the benzene carbon atom is sp2 hybridized state and with bond angle 120 degree centigrade. Each carbon atom here 6 corner is present, and 6 each corner 1 carbon atoms are present, and double bonds are also present with alternating position. Alternating positions means 1 3 5 position. Okay, now if I represent this compound with numbering, then the number, if this carbon atom is 1 and this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this 5, it is 6. Okay, now I have already said that one alternating position, that is 1 এর পরে একটা ডাবল বন্ড, ওকে 5 এর পরে একটা ডাবল বন্ড, 3 এর পরে একটা ডাবল বন্ড. ওকে, 1 3 5 পজিশনে ডাবল বন্ড, অল্টারনেটিং ডাবল বন্ডস আর প্রেজেন্ট ইন 1 3 5 পজিশন. ওকে, now laboratory method of preparations of benzene. How benzene obtained, how would you prepare benzene from acetylene? Okay, when 3 molecules of acetylene is passed through red hot copper tube at 600 degree centigrade, then we get benzene. Okay, now we are prepared benzene from acetylene in this way. When 3 molecules of acetylene is passed or heated at 600 degree centigrade over red hot copper tube, okay, then benzene is obtained. Now how do you prepare benzene from phenol? When phenol is distilled in presence of zinc dust, জিঙ্কের চূর্ণ, দস্তার চূর্ণ, when phenol is distilled in presence of zinc dust produced benzene. Okay, how do you obtain benzene from phenol? When phenol is distilled in presence of zinc dust, benzene is formed. How would you obtain benzene from acetylene? When 3 molecules of acetylene is heated at 600 degree centigrade and pass through a red hot copper tube to form benzene. Okay, now the chemical reactions or chemical properties of benzene. What is this? Now first reaction is chlorination. Chlorination means chlorine atom centers in the benzene ring. Okay, chlorination means chlorine atom centers in the benzene ring. Now what is chlorination? When benzene is treated with chlorine, when benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of diffused sunlight means বিক্ষিপ্ত সূর্যালোক, when benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of diffused sunlight and iron powder, iron churno, then the chlorine atom enters in the benzene ring, that is Cl add with benzene ring. This is known as chlorobenzene. This reaction is known as chlorination of benzene. What is the chlorination of benzene? When benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of diffused sunlight and iron powder, then chlorine atoms enters in the benzene ring and we get chlorobenzene. This reaction is known as chlorination or chlorination of benzene. Now this chlorobenzene, if chlorobenzene is subjected to chlorination, then what is the product? Similarly, in this way, Cl2 in presence of diffused sunlight and iron powder, then we get this is Cl plus Cl. This compound is known as orthochloro, ORTHO, orthochlorobenzene. Okay, this name is PARA, parachlorobenzene, CHLO, parachlorobenzene. Now, if what is ortho and what is para and what is meta? There are three types: ortho, meta and para. That is, this benzene ring, this is a benzene ring. Okay, this one is one position, this carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When any substituents or when two substituents are present, in one position and two position, then this compound by isomer is called ortho compound. Okay, when this compound, that means this is one position one chlorine atom and two position one chlorine atom. Okay, here two substituents are present in one carbon with one carbon atom and with two carbon atom. That is called ortho. And which name? What is this name? Chlorobenzene. So as two substituents chlorine atoms are present in one and two positions of benzene ring, so they are called ortho isomer or ortho compound. So this is named as orthochlorobenzene. Okay, now parachloro, if two substituents are present in 1 and 4 position, then that is called parachlorobenzene. If two substituents are present in 1 and 3 position, then that is called what? Meta. Okay, 1 and 3, when two substituents are present at 1 and 3 carbon atoms are called meta position. When two substituents are present one with 1 and 2 carbon atoms, when are called, this is ortho. And when two substituents are present in 1 positions and 4 positions, they are called para compound. Okay, now when benzene is treated with chlorine, all hydrogen atom of benzene are replaced by chlorine atom and finally get benzene hexachloride, Cl. Finally we get benzene hexachloride. All hydrogen atom are removed when chlorination is done of benzene. Then all hydrogen atom of benzene are replaced by chlorine atom and we get benzene hexachloride. Okay, and we get benzene chloride means here all hydrogen atoms are present. Okay, one hydrogen atom, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. When this is subjected to many times of chlorination in presence of diffuse sunlight and iron powder, then all hydrogen atoms of benzene are replaced by chlorine atom, and we get benzene hexachloride, Cl, 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 Cl. Okay. Now, okay, this is obtained when only benzene is treated with chlorine. When benzene is only treated with chlorine, then this compound is obtained with a free radical mechanism. Okay, benzene hexachloride, then all double bond are also removed, and we get Cl, 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 Cl. This is called BHC, benzene hexachloride. What is BHC? What is the full form of BHC? Benzene hexachloride, and it is also known as gamaxine. যেটা সবাই বাড়িতে ব্যবহার করিস পিঁপড়ে তাড়ানোর কাজে ব্যবহার করিস, গ্যামাক্সিন। ওকে, দ্য বেনজিন হেক্সাক্লোরাইড ইজ অলসো নোন অ্যাজ গ্যামাক্সিন। ওকে, তাহলে BHC means benzene hexachloride, and we get by when benzene is treated with chlorine, then all hydrogen atoms of benzene is replaced by chlorine atom, and finally we get, and all double bond are reduced by chlorine atom, and finally we get chlorine. Benzene hexachloride, BHC, which is known as gamaxine. Now the simple form. Now if the question is arise, what is chlorination of benzene, write short notes on chlorination, then you may write, when benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight and iron powder, then hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by chlorine atom. Now this is the point. When benzene is treated with chlorobenzene, and chlorobenzene is subjected to the chlorine and iron powder in presence of diffuse sunlight, then also we get orthochlorobenzene and parachlorobenzene. This is the chlorination of benzene. This reaction is called chlorination of benzene, or this reaction is known as chlorination. Okay, now nitration. Now my topic is complete. Next day I will discuss about nitration. Okay, about sulfonation, about Fidelkraft reaction, which is very important for your semester examinations. Okay, now next day my topic was nitration, sulfonation, Fidelkraft reactions, and use of benzene, and important questions from this topic. Okay, now my last question is chlorination. What is chlorination? When benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight and iron powder, then hydrogen atom of chlorine is replaced by hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by chlorine atom, and we get chlorobenzene. This reaction is known as chlorination. How do you obtain benzene from phenol? When phenol is distilled with zinc dust, okay, then benzene is obtained. How do you obtain benzene from acetylene? When 3 molecules of acetylene is passed through red hot copper tube at 600 degrees centigrade, then we get benzene. Okay.